Okay, good morning, Belthornians. Welcome to our Friday Start of the Week assembly. You can see today it's just me and the key worker gang, and I'll let you into a secret, it's not actually Friday morning, it's Thursday afternoon, but we're filming this now so that we can get it out to you for tomorrow morning. Okay, so I'm just going to read you the stars of the week that the teachers have nominated either from home or from within school this week. So well done to everybody for keeping up with the show we work, for working hard from home and for working hard in school as well. We really appreciate all your efforts. So I'm going to read out the stars of the week now. So in Little Bells, the star of the week this week goes to India for always being kind and friendly, for working hard and trying her best. So well done to India. And give her the certificate on Friday morning. In reception, for fantastic efforts in all his work this week, it goes to Austin H. So well done, Austin. Well done. Marvellous. In Year 1, and Year 1 have been in school this week. So most of Year 1 have been in school, but they've all been working hard, whether at home or in school. This goes to Aisha for her amazing maths work, especially using money, and we were so pleased to see how proud she was of her achievements. So well done to Aisha. In Year 2, for having such a brilliant go at all his tasks this week and for asking for help when he needs it and for being really grateful for the help when he got it. Well done to Owen. In Year 3, for putting so much effort into the class novel tasks this week and especially the scene drawing, well done to Eloise. In Year 4, for super effort in French this week. So très bien and well done to Liliana. In Year 5, Mr. Griffiths has said for some outstanding effort in all the Zoom lessons and producing some fantastic writing, well done to Alice. And in Year 6, for being the star of our good work assembly last week, a natural actor, well done to Lennon P. So that's it from us today. Keep sending your photos of all the work you've been doing at home, because it's really lovely to see what you're getting up to, the work you're doing and the things you're getting up to outside and round and about. So please keep sending them so that we can put them on our gallery pictures and send them out to everybody via our Facebook link. Okay, thank you and see you all next week. Bye bye.